Hi, I'm Daniela and welcome back to my universe. In today's tutorial we will be crocheting this dog. It is a no-sew pattern and it is pretty fast. I hope you like it. Comment what other things would you like to see, subscribe, and let's go to the video. For this project I used super bulky yarn, which is weight 6 and a 4mm hook. I also made a smaller version, so tell me in the comments if you would like a video about it too. We will start by doing a magic ring. To do the magic ring, we will wrap our yarn around our fingers, over, under, and cross. You should end up with the form of an X. I will grab my hook and go under this yarn, grab the one on the top, pull it around my hook. I will grab again the yarn on the top and pull it through the loop in my hook. Now we will do 8 single crochet into the magic ring. To do 1 single crochet, we will insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over, and pull through both of the loops in our hook. I will do 7 more and then I will close the magic ring. In round 2 we will do 8 increases. To do an increase we just have to do 2 single crochet into the same stitch. At the end of this round you should end with 16 stitches. I also like to use a stitch marker at the beginning of the round so that I know when I have to finish and the number of stitches that I should have per round. For round 3 we will do a single crochet, an increase, and we will repeat this until the end of the round. You should end up with 24 stitches. In round 4 we will do 1 single crochet, 2, 2, an increase, and we will repeat this until the end of the round. You should end up with 32 stitches. From rounds 5 to 9 we will single crochet around. This means we will do 1 single crochet per stitch. Now we will flatten our project and insert our hook through the first and last stitch of the previous round and do a single crochet as normal. We will repeat this 9 more times. And at the end we should end up with a small circle of 12 stitches. Before we continue, we will add as much stuffing as we can. We will start round 10 by doing a decrease. For this, we will insert our hook through the front loop of the next 2 stitches, like this. We will yarn under, pull through both of the loops, yarn over and pull through both of the loops. We will repeat this until the end of the round and we should end up with 6 stitches. In round 11, we will do 6 increases. We should end up with 12 stitches at the end of the round. For round 12, we will do 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and we will repeat this until the end of the round. We should end up with 18 stitches. From round 13 to 15, we will single crochet around. In round 16, we will do 1 single crochet. I'm going to add a stitch marker. Then we will do 1 decrease. And we will continue doing this until the end of the round. We should end up with 12 stitches. Before we continue, we will add our safety eyes between rounds 14 and 15, 6 stitches apart. And we will also add the stuffing to the head of the duck. To finish, we will do 6 decreases. We should end up with 6 stitches. We can now cut the yarn, fasten off, and we will start closing. To close, we will insert our needle through the front loop only of each of the stitches. Then we can pull the yarn and it will close. To finish, I will add the beak of the dog between the safety eyes using orange yarn.
And there you go, I hope you liked the tutorial. Remember, you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format. Tag me if you try it out, I would love to see your results, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!